Nobody likes wasting time digging through spreadsheets or waiting endlessly for stock updates. With Inventoryverse, you get instant access to real-time inventory insights and faster, smarter management, right when you need it. Inventoryverse makes inventory control as easy as track, manage, and go. From checking stock levels to viewing open orders and monitoring status updates, everything is just a click away. You can instantly find product details, SKU, batch information, and reorder points, plus download or print reports directly from the platform without waiting for manual updates. Our online dashboard, complete with product specs, pricing, and standard unit counts, allows you to manage your inventory anytime, anywhere. At Inventoryverse, we understand your operational needs, help you optimize efficiency, and deliver a seamless management experience. Inventoryverse, track, manage, and go.